Yo, what's good, YouTube? Hold on. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Demon Rup, also known as Diamond in the Rup, and y'all. Yeah, your girl birthday, man. I don't know, but I can't tell y'all my age, cause like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting old, bro. Like, hold on. I'm getting old, bro. Like, what is going on? I can't believe it. I can't even tell you how old I am. Well, I can't, fuck it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm 24. Don't tell nobody though. Y'all can't tell nobody that I'm 24. Okay, don't tell nobody. Cause I know I'm old. I'm getting in the auntie stages, I think. Why am I 24? I need a niece or a nephew. Like, what is my sister doing? Cause I ain't having none. So where they gonna come from? You feel me? But anyways, y'all, as y'all can see, I got this thing on my head because I'm finna go get my hair done, and this video is going to be another transformation video. And y'all know my transformation videos go stupid, because y'all know I got these locks up under here, but I always have to be creative with my hairstyle because I do have locks, and because they get into it might look empty down here, but it's not. But anyways, because they get to a certain length, and I'm gonna be late, so I gotta go. Because my hair is getting to a certain length, it's certain styles and like stuff I can't get no more. So we have decided to go ahead and try a new hairstyle. And I'm kind of nervous about it, but I have faith in my hairstylist. If you're watching this, I have faith in you. 9 times out of 10, y'all will not see this video if I don't like my hair. So we're gonna put all our faith in Miss Britt, but we're gonna make do. I have to get me something to eat because I'm hungry as fuck too, so I'm definitely gonna be late. But y'all know y'all gonna come with me for this ride. Once I get there and get settled in, y'all gonna see me get the whoop, the wash, the everything, and y'all already know how it's gonna go down. But what I want to say is, I feel like people be forgetting, like, a lot of people can switch it up. And when I say switch it up, I don't mean like, okay, you could go from this to that. Nah, like, I mean a pure transformation. Do you hear me? Like, yeah. But I'm not gonna speak too much on it. I'm gonna let y'all see for y'allself if I like the hair. So let's go. Now, you sure you could do it, right?
What are you talking about? We talking about this style. You know you ain't asking.
Yeah, you gotta make me look good. Ooh, hold on. Dang, I look a little bald-headed. And I think my shirt wet. Hold on, look at the length. Look at the length, though. Hold on, let me get a little piece. Let me see. Ooh. So what's up, y'all? I'm done getting my hair done, and I ain't gonna lie, I really love this hairstyle. Like, I was so nervous because I did not know what to expect, but y'all, like, every time I get my hair done, it's like I'll be a completely different person. But this is what I be trying to tell y'all, like, I don't know, but what I'm trying to say is, I don't know, but y'all, the hairstyle look good. Like, and this is locks, y'all know how my hair is for real, because I don't think I took my thing off when I was what's it called, I don't think I took off my black bonnet when I was recording. So yeah, but y'all know how my hair is, what it looked like. This is literally my hair, my locks, and she did a great job. Like, I love Britt. Britt always eat down, y'all. Like, come on, like, who y'all know be switching it up like this? Come on, bruh. Like, it's nobody in this world like me, bro. Nobody like me in this world. But if y'all like this hairstyle, make sure y'all let me know down in the comments below. But also make sure y'all say happy birthday too. For real. I'm gonna get some clips in and showing y'all how it look like when I get like in the sun and stuff, because I'm at the gas station because I had to get some gas, and I was on the phone for a little bit. I'm probably about to head back home right now. I was supposed to get my eyebrows done, but the lady is not there today. She's gonna be there tomorrow, so I'm gonna go there tomorrow to get it done. But I'm thinking for today, maybe we go out to brunch or something. I haven't really figured out the details, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't want to do nothing but be on the mother ground. Do you hear me? Like, if you know, you know. I can't say too much because it'd be a whole lot of people watching my videos that ain't even supposed to be watching my videos, and I feel like some of them be trying to get me caught up. So I gotta watch what I say, and I gotta clip out certain things that I say and certain things that I do, because people be police, for real. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like my hair, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Show you guys some love. It's my birthday on Big 24. Man, spam the 24s in the chat, man. Big 24, man. I done turned 24, man. Thank God for blessing me to see 24. Shit, a lot of people don't make it to see 24. A lot of people don't make it to see 23, 21, even 20. So, shit, I know God got a lot in store for me. And it's a blessing to be here. It's a blessing to be alive. It's a blessing to wake up. Shit. So it's a blessing to have a job. It's a blessing to have a roof over your head. And even if you ain't got no food in the house, guess what? You still got somewhere to lay down, somewhere to bathe your ass. So that's a blessing in itself. You got a car, that's a blessing. You alive, you breathing, you healthy. It's a blessing. So thank God for allowing me to make it for 24 years, man. 24 years. Shit. I'm about to be 25 in 365 days. 25 is very close to 30. Once, like, you know how in math, when you at 24.5, you round off to 25. So I feel like when you round off from 20 to 30, if you at 25, they gonna round that up to 30. Oh, shit. It's getting real, bro. I can't think about it. All right, y'all. So I got some sun on me right now. Let me make sure my mic working. I got some sun on me right now, so I'm kind of getting sun-kissed a little bit, but y'all can see a better look of my hair. Y'all let me know how y'all feel, how I look. Oh, I know that sun hitting, boy. Why does it look so good? And you know what's crazy? I don't even know, y'all, but I really like the hairstyle. Like, I feel like it compliments me. It makes me look pretty. Make me look cute, like a bad bitch. Yeah, but y'all could catch some of these little highlights and these little clips of me looking like a bad bitch, because this is a 1 year or 2 year type of, y'all know what I'm saying. You don't do this often. I mean, I don't do this often. I'm stuttering this shit like, girl, get it together. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3, release them. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay. Get it to it. Recording? Alright, y'all. So I told y'all I was gonna give y'all some more clips of the hairstyle and shit. So like, yeah, this me giving y'all some more clips. Y'all can see it more better up close and personal, and you know, get into the details with it, cause like I told y'all know the switch up be 2 real. Matter of fact, it be 3, 4, 5 real. Come on, get into the details, nah. You feel me? Yeah, check me out. Like, peep, right? Peep me out. So I'm walking, fit on like this. You feel me? Like, how you doing? I'm saying, you single? Wow, but the last time you was, that's fucked. I was ugly last time.
Yeah, no, you look ugly. You look good.
I look good. So you see me walking? I'm saying like, how you doing? You single?
Maybe.
You got a nigga, a girl? None?
No nigga.
You got kids?
No kid.
You got a dog?
No, I'm gonna
You got your own crib?
Yeah.
You do? So I come live with you? Damn. What the fuck? So I ain't good enough to live with you?
Nah.
That's crazy. Rate my hair though. What you think?
I rate it a 10 out of 10.
You a fuck?
Yeah.
For real? Like, so we can fuck?
Yeah.